Hey guys, if your iPhone alarm app is not waking them up, then here is the fix, guys. Because many iPhone users complain that the iPhone alarm app is not waking them up. Yeah, so in order to fix this issue, just go to settings. Yeah, you can see over here, just tap on it. And now guys, yeah, from the settings page, guys, just try to find Face ID and passcode. You can see over here, just tap on it, and from okay, just pass the passcode. Yeah, and now guys, from the Face ID and passcode page, just try to find attention aware features, because many iPhone users who turned off the feature reported that it solved the problem for them. So guys, go and tap to turn off. Yeah, just tap to turn off. After turning off attention aware features, might be your issue will be resolved. Just go and check. If your issue is still not resolved, then try to check another settings. This time you can go and check yeah, your volume. Just check your volume is not set too low, because sometimes what happen, you miss the alarm if the volume is too low. So guys, just again come to the settings page, and now this time try to find yeah, sound and haptics. You can just see over it, just tap on it. And now guys, from the sounds and haptics page, just increase the volume. You can see over here, just increase the maximum. Yeah, and after that guys, sometimes what happen, you can just go and check whatever you have set the alarm. Just check the sound settings for each alarm which you have set, because sometimes what happen, it is possible that some of your alarms are accidentally set with no ringtone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.